Nowadays, smart deadbolts are the best selected locks for front doors in retrofit markets. Most of them only with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth come in all shapes. With R3-R8D, we can offer you more than that. It is by built-in sensor, not by preset time, truly relocking when you close the door. When you want to stay home without being disturbed, or when you will be away for a period of time, you can turn on vacation mode button. The touch keypad and Bluetooth can be completely shut off. It supports smartphone access. When you don't have your phone with you, or your phone runs out of battery, you can use PIN code to open the door. R3-R8D, its unique profile is a patented design in several countries. It's time to level up your front door locks, with slick, stylish, and smart design, that it will be assured to look good on your home.